Good evening all. I vowel letter produces two different sounds. The first one is A and the second one is I. The first one is A. That is, for example, if, it, in, inside, interval. Here the sound is E, and the second sound it gives is I. For example, nice, thrice, price, slice, and cry. Here I letter is producing two different kinds of sounds. The first, I repeat once again, A sound, that is kit, sit, hit, knit, and the second one is I, that is nice, thrice, I, fly, sky. So in this way, I letter gives two different kinds of sounds. By using different kinds of words, we have to practice these two sounds regularly, and it assists us to augment our sounds knowledge. Thank you.